शिक्षा के क्षेत्र से आज बेंगलुरु से एक बहुत बड़ी और महत्वपूर्ण खबर आ रही है। क्या हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यानी एआई के इस दौर के लिए तैयार है? इसी सवाल का जवाब ढूंढने के लिए आज बेंगलुरु के द चांसरी पवेलियन में एक बेहद खास समिट का आयोजन किया गया। दीक्षा वेदांतु द्वारा आयोजित इस पहले एजुविजन 2026 लीडरशिप कॉन्क्लेव में बेंगलुरु के 100 से भी ज्यादा स्कूल प्रिंसिपल्स और शिक्षाविदों ने हिस्सा लिया। शेपिंग टुमारो स्कूल्स टुडे की थीम पर आधारित इस समिट में 15 दिग्गज वक्ताओं और 12 राउंड टेबल मीटिंग्स के बाद एक ऐतिहासिक 10 सूत्रीय संकल्प या 10 पॉइंट रेजोल्यूशन पारित किया गया। इस कॉन्क्लेव की शुरुआत दीक्षा वेदांतु के फाउंडर डॉक्टर श्रीधर जी के मुख्य भाषण से हुई। उन्होंने भारत की K-12 शिक्षा प्रणाली पर बात करते हुए कहा कि भारत ने बच्चों को स्कूल तक पहुंचाने में तो बड़ी कामयाबी हासिल की है, लेकिन अब असली चुनौती उन्हें एक अनिश्चित भविष्य के लिए तैयार करने, सोचने और सही मायने में सिखाने की है। इस 10 सूत्रीय एजेंडे में क्लासरूम में एआई का सही इस्तेमाल, परीक्षाओं का नया रूप, टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग, बच्चों की मेंटल हेल्थ और पेरेंट्स की भागीदारी जैसे बड़े मुद्दों पर एक साझा रोडमैप तैयार किया गया है। बेंगलुरु के स्कूल लीडर्स द्वारा उठाया गया ये कदम आने वाले समय में देश के एजुकेशन सिस्टम की दिशा और दशा दोनों बदल सकता है।
Eduvision had two basic visions today. One is AI, the other is the future of education, when the present children in schools today would go to the world of work. So AI, we all know, is an enabler. It is not going to replace human beings. It's going to enable human beings to live a better life, or work a better life, or study in schools better. And the future of education, we know that some of the jobs which are today have vanished because of AI. You know, we have seen so much of attrition. Every industry wants a person trained in data science, in AI. Similarly, about 20 years from now, there will be some new thing coming up, and we have to prepare our students. So the first thing that we have to prepare our students is resilience. If there is failure, don't give up. You have the capabilities of doing better. Each one of us has the potential to do better. So I would think it was a beautiful summit today where these two very important features of education was discussed among a lot of educators.
How many schools or colleges involved in this conference?
I would think there would be more than 100. I mean, representatives from schools, like I'm a director, there are principals, there are teachers, there are heads of schools, more than 100 schools.
And what are the topics discussed, madam?
The topics today was, as I said, AI and the future of education and how to prepare students today to be ready for the workforce 20 years from now.
Well, actually, has the current education system.
मेरा नाम है विक्रांत शोम, मैं हूँ हेड ऑफ आउटरीच एट स्केलर स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। स्केलर इंडिया का वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट टेक एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स है, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी इन द एडुविजन 2026. Eduvision 2026 by Diksha and Vedantu. I think it's a fantastic event which has been conducted. And in this event, हमने in fact एक और announcement भी किया, क्योंकि in the world of AI इतने सारे developments हो रहे हैं, and especially at Scaler because हम उस डेवलपमेंट के फोरफ्रंट में रह चुके हैं लास्ट 10 साल से, जहाँ पर 40,000 वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स का 23.5 लाख से लेकर 33 लाख के एवरेज के बीच में प्लेसमेंट हुआ इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ ईयर्स। तो हमें ये समझ में आया कि एआई की दुनिया में द डेवलपमेंट नीड्स टू बी डन फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड लेवल विच इज़ राइट फ्रॉम स्कूल्स। तो इस साल हमने एक नेशनल एआई टैलेंट ओलंपियाड लॉन्च किया है अलॉन्ग विथ एआई वर्कशॉप्स एंड लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स, जिससे कि हम स्कूल लेवल पे जाके बच्चों के लर्निंग डेवलपमेंट को फॉस्टर कर पाए इन द स्पेस ऑफ एआई। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस इवेंट टू प्रोवाइड अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू दिस प्रोग्राम। इफ एनी स्कूल इज इंटरेस्टेड, scalarnato.com, उसमें जाके आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, एंड we are actually accepting a very selected cohort of schools जहां पर हमें पता है कि AI talent exist करता है, and we would love to host your school as well. Thank you so much.
स्टूडेंट के लिए कैसा
ये हो जाता है कि आपको रियल स्किल्स की जरूरत है। जब आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की एक दुनिया में हो, दिस इज द AI एरा, राइट, तो आपको क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पे फोकस करना चाहिए। सो इसी के लिए हमने जो ये नेशनल AI टैलेंट ओलंपियाड बनाया है, इसमें इट्स इंडियाज फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड ओलंपियाड। तो इसमें आप सिर्फ असेसमेंट नहीं देंगे, बट आप एक्चुअली AI से प्रोडक्ट बनाना सीखेंगे, एंड दैट्स आवर मोटिव, दैट वी वांट टू मेक यू रेडी फॉर द AI एज। एंड इसके अलावा इंडस्ट्री के टॉप टेक लीडर्स जो स्केलर स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में पढ़ाते हैं, उनसे भी मिलने का मौका आपको स्केलर के कैंपस में मिलेगा, along with exciting prizes like MacBook and Meta AI glasses.
The world is rapidly changing. AI is coming and disrupting all fields of life. And AI is going to change the workspace 15, 20 years from now. So, what we teach our children, what skills we empower our children today is very critical to make sure they are successful and relevant when they come out into the workspace. EduVision 2026 is basically a collection, a conclave of educators, principals, academicians to debate on this topic, to put out a white paper that we can share with the Ministry of Human Resources Development, with the Education Department, to start the conversation and dialogue as to the direction in which India's education system.
Parents' mind, every educator's mind, every child's mind now is what is going to be the future and what relevance does the existing education system have in future. Will I be future ready? Will I have jobs? Can it continue the same way that it is done? So it is very important that we as educators come together, understand what is happening, because we have this experience, rich experience of what is happening currently in the education system. We know what the parents and children are going through. If the educators come together and brainstorm, and then they are able to put out a vision and say that this is what is the need of the hour, definitely the impact is going to be there, and it will be much more reassuring for parents and for the children, saying that yes, I have a future, even if AI is going to come and disrupt many things in life.
And key message to this.
Key message is for different stakeholders. One is for the parents to begin with. That's like ma'am said, don't be worried, don't be scared. We are there, we are thinking, we are evolving, we are developing to make sure your child is taken care of. The next stakeholders are the principals and educators. For them, the message is very simple. We cannot simply rest on what we are doing. We have to be alert, we have to be agile, we have to innovate, we have to adapt, we have to make sure we are fulfilling our responsibilities.
Vision 2026 is a vision of education of India. So we, the educators of India, are looking to take Indian education globally. I would like to congratulate the EduVision team for looking into integrating AI into today's classrooms for the students throughout India and making sure that the students are competitive. The Indian students are competitive in the global level. So that's very important. Today's event was all about collaboration of all the educators around Karnataka.
So I'm Abhinav Srivastav from Vedanta Innovations Private Limited as a vice president working there for a quite long time. So in this EduVision event today, we have had a very fruitful discussion on AI in schools, how the schools are leading with AI, how the schools are embracing AI. And I'm very happy to see all the principals and all the heads of the schools having the vision not only to educate students about AI or enable them, but to make them creators of AI. The future of the country lies when we become the creators of the AI and we lead in the technologies that are going to come in the future as a creator of it, not just merely a user of it. So I am extremely happy to see how our education scape is evolving with the help of AI and how the lives of teachers, school administration, students, all of it is changing with the help of AI.
Praveen, co-founder and CEO of Experimenter. We develop and bring experiential learning products and solutions to schools. Our ambition is to work with schools to convert their regular classrooms into active learning spaces. And we are privileged to be part of EduVision. It's a great gathering for us to come and discuss some of the important questions facing education today. AI is certainly disrupting everything. Geopolitics is disrupting everything. So how do we equip our children for the future? So those are some of the important things that we discussed. And it is important also as educators, it is our responsibility to evolve systems that can help students navigate these uncertainties and unknowns that are there. Traditional methods of teaching learning practices are inadequate, and we have to look at how we can harness technology and improve education systems in our country.
Good afternoon. I am Mrs. Chumkinath, Principal Air Force School, AST. Nice to meet you all over here. We are enjoying the session in EduVision, and hoping to get a lot of learning from each other as well as from the other resource persons who are conducting the sessions.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bharti Tanvir, Kamal School. I'm the academic director in the school, and it's a wonderful session organized. We had good learning today, and we are also able to see how to go forward, because although being in this profession, there is always a doubt about how the future is going to unfold. So we are getting some clarity on that aspect. Thank you so much.
Pinky Singh, principal of Royal Concord International School, Kalyanagar branch. The title of this event says all, EduVision. Because if you are a leader, there should be vision. And vision with the education clubs it all. So I feel that today's panel discussions were very enriching. So I am going with a lot of learning, because as passionate educators, we need to, because we have to keep the future, the citizens of the country future ready. And for that, you need to have passion, you have to have the dedication, you have to have the commitment. And the leaders today who came across these panel discussions and many deliberations and the keynote speakers, they all talked about the 4 shifts which is happening. So when these shifts are happening, the transformation which is happening, because 21st century learners need something new. That can be, of course, critical thinking and a competency-based learning. So if we are moving from a rote learning to a competency-based learning, the educators have to be visionary. So EduVision 2026 is something which is very close to my heart, there is a lot of learning. And thank you so much to the Diksha and the Vedanta team.
I'm Sham from Director of MBMA. We are into performing arts, India's first career-driven performing arts academy. And I think it was an amazing event by Diksha Vedantu, and to bring all educators from Bangalore at one stage, discuss about topics which they have and issues that they're facing problems every day, and to come up with solution. The round table especially introduces very good, and Diksha themselves are doing some amazing work led by Sridhar sir and Lalit ma'am. And now with this initiative, they are the torch bearers and leading the schools into that direction. I wish EduVision and I wish them all the best. And this is something which should have become more bigger and happen every year in maybe multiple cities. We need it everywhere.